Well, hello and welcome to what amounts to football heaven. Doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue. Players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. This is prestige. And the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much. Special of games. This place simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here. And already we're underway here. Here's a guy that qualifies as one of the best defensive midfielders to ever play the game. Patrick Vieira, the pillar of strength. Yeah, aggression, hard tackling, they're the foundations of this game, but he can turn defence into attack very quickly and show his terrific athleticism and real power. Forward it goes. Beckham. And it's played forward. Deftly done. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there. Encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace. Hoists it forward. Neymar. And here's Beckham. Neymar. Lewandowski. And it's Neymar. He's brushed off the ball there. Lewandowski. Beckham. It's Dybala. Vieira does well there. Alert. Griezmann. He spotted the run and played it through. Now it's Griezmann. It's Lewandowski. That's just an example of overcommitting, and unfortunately for the quality of the intervention, it was vital. And here's Griezmann. Chip through. Danger averted for now. There's the half-time whistle. So the other team has broken through. Game up to now. Views on the first half. It's been a pretty abject performance. No effort to goal. I'm struggling to remember the last time we had that. Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break. 0-0. Just back from your break, missed very little of the resumption of the second half. Lewandowski! It's done ever so well. Lewandowski is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment. Bruyne. And a shot! Dybala with the clearance. And it's De Bruyne. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. Going through. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. The opportunity to showcase his dead ball craft. Vieira goes looking. Dybala. Good take. It's Neymar! Sometimes it pays off not to think too much of it, just put the ball through. That was a good example. Great contact. Keeper had a very good chance. Touchline, it seems there's going to be a change. Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Look, you can't deny that it's a blow, but this game is far from unsalvageable.
Conte. So Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, while the temptation's always there, Peter, I think it would be ill-advised of them to try settle for what they've got.
That time. Keeper sends it forward. And it's Dybala. Driving on now. What can they conjure from here? Griezmann.
That will annoy the manager. They're making themselves too predictable here.
It's Dybala.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
It's a foul, and it's a foul. He's resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern one. Takes something pretty special to beat the keeper from this far out. Their attempts. That's the wrong outcome.
Ronaldinho did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
Azpilicueta. The message is clear. Non-short pass. Azpilicueta. 1-0 as we head towards the end. And here's Muller. Now it's Griezmann! A great save, real class.
Griezmann simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Griezmann plays it short.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue this situation. And it needs to be any time now, really. Dybala plays it forward. Dashing forward at pace. Conte.
Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. What's it got?
Just the odd goal. It was a very stern test with very little between two teams that scrap for everything.
That's it from us. Many thanks go to Jim Beglin, and goodbye from us.
You think